Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make smart numbering in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. Let's say we have a range of data like this, where we need to make a numbering in the first column. We can do it in the usual way by entering the numbers 1 and 2 in the first and second cells, then pulling the number into the end of the table. This is a standard method that has its drawbacks. For example, if we delete one of the rows, the numbering gets lost and we need to manually correct the inaccuracies. But it's better to avoid this and immediately use the row function for numbering. We enter the row function without an argument, and most importantly, we make an adjustment for the number of rows that are above the selected cell. That is, we subtract 2. Now we pull the formula down to the end of the column, and now we can delete rows since the numbering will remain continuous. This was a dynamic method. If necessary, you can use a static one. We enter the sequence function in the cell, we specify the number of rows in the first argument, 16, the second argument is the number of columns, this is 1, we will start the sequence with 1 and the step will also be 1. Press enter and pull the formula. Now let's try to delete one row, and as you can see, in the first case the numbering is dynamically recalculated, and in the second it remains in place without change. Which method to choose is up to you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.